Hey guys, Bobby from SkyeBrowse here, and in today's video I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to do manual flights for Universal Upload. Everyone knows about the flight app where it does automated flights around an area, either orbits or grids or all sorts of really easy to use flight patterns, but the issue really comes with the drones that we don't support. A while back when we released our flight app, quite a few drone companies reached out asking for support for this drone or that drone, and I took a step back and I thought, well, we're not a drone flight app company. We make really quick and easy 3D models. So we released Universal Upload so that we can support every single drone out there. So let's get started on how to do manual flights. The first thing you want to do is click the top right and go ahead and turn on video captions for your DJI drone. It's pretty similar on Autel drones as well, where it records a subtitle file with GPS logs, and that'll be really useful later on. I want to map out these buildings right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly at an orbit at a 45-degree angle, start recording video, and I'm going to do an orbit around this area. This video is sped up a little bit for the sake of time, and you can see on the bottom left the orbit, the flight pattern that I'm doing. So 45 degrees, flying an orbit around the object of interest. And if you're flying higher up, you can fly a little bit faster, but generally speaking, I'd say keep under 15 miles an hour. And if you're flying lower, I'd say fly around 5 miles an hour. And so the first orbit is done, and I've done a 45-degree capture of this building. Now the next thing you want to do is do a grid pattern. So having a grid pattern in your video will allow you to capture the tops of the objects. It does a really good job getting the surrounding environment, and you can map out huge areas with just the grid pattern by itself. And as you can see, this video is continuously recording, so it's one continuous video. And then the third thing that I'm going to do is at a lower altitude to capture more of the sides of this building. Since it's a multi-level building, I'm pitching the gimbal to 30 degrees and doing another orbit around this building. So the 30-degree orbit really isn't necessary if you're mapping out something small or something that doesn't require a lot of altitude. Just a simple 45-degree orbit should do the trick, and you'll get a good looking 3D model. In this case, because it's a larger area, I'm doing all three different flight types. I'm doing the orbit at 45 degrees, I'm doing the grid pattern at 75 degrees, gimbal pitch down, and I'm doing another orbit afterwards at 30 degrees, so I can capture, as you can see, more of the sides of the building. Now that you've done your drone flights, let's go ahead and take out the SD card and go to our website. Once you log on in, we'll go to upload video, and you'll see a few options for different types of upload. On the top, there's training models. This is available for premium customers only. If you toggle it on, you can make unlimited 3D models with SkyeBrowse, and it doesn't count towards your model credits. We also have app upload. So if you use the SkyeBrowse flight app to do any sort of autonomous flight patterns, you can just go ahead and click here and upload a video file. We have Universal Upload, which allows you to upload any video. It could be from any drone, a cell phone, 360 camera, any sort of video. You can go into SkyeBrowse with Universal Upload. We have interior mapping, so that's for any sort of interior spaces, either with a 360 camera or with a cell phone, a GoPro. And we have SkyeBrowse Rapid, where you can upload a video and it compresses it to about 10% of the size, and processing only takes 2 minutes tops for SkyeBrowse Rapid. That's really good for people that are in areas with bad internet or want a 3D model as soon as possible. So for today, we'll be using Universal Upload to find the video files. First things first, you want to change the model name to something that's recognizable. In this case, I'll call it condos. And then you can choose your video files. So I already have the video files loaded up here, and you can see the video files from the flight. And then you can see that DJI actually split it up into 2 video files. So here's the second orbit. We'll first upload the first video. Select that, and you'll see that there's an option to select GPS logs. When we toggled on the video captions, you'll see that there's also the SRT file. Let's go ahead and choose that. And what that'll do is it'll automatically georeference your 3D model, meaning that you don't have to scale it. You already have measurements directly inside of it. Now, because DJI split it into 2 video files, I'll choose a second one. This is available for premium customers for a multi-video upload, where Premium can upload up to 3 videos at once, and Premium Advanced can upload up to 10 videos. And I'll select the second GPS log. So just make sure that they're in the right order. You don't want the second part of the flight to be in the first position and vice versa. Or just make sure that they're in the right order and click upload. You can see now that it finished uploading. It's going to go into our servers. Now we can see that the video is done processing. Over here, it's a little preview of the videos that I uploaded. If I go ahead and click it, you can see both videos and the 2D map, as well as the sketch drawing and the 3D model as well, showing the entire area. Because I did the lower altitude flights, capturing more of the sides, it really gets a good 3D model of both the sides as well as the top. And I'll go over the measurement tools in another video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.